Hey everyone, it's Lisa from DAnails. Welcome back to the channel. This is going to be a quick video, but I want to give away from the amazing Kristi Mays. If you guys aren't subscribed to Kristi Mays' channel, I don't really know what to say. There's a lot of information that you're missing on. She is the guru, okay? The queen, the goddess, the collection of great information of when it comes to like HEMA-free items. She tests it out. I mean, this woman has burnt her hair for the cause. That's commitment, people. It deserves subscribers. It deserves followers, okay? Commitment, yes. Also go to for so much other information like products to buy if you're concerned with HEMA-free products, and you should be because you know it's the healthiest experience, but you know, just a bunch of other stuff. Anyway, I want to give away because I'm freakishly unlucky, but somehow that happened. And she sent me extra stuff, but let me show you what the actual giveaway was about. It was about a pana brush. Yes, I said it, pana brush. Thing I didn't think I was going to be owning. Boom! There it is. The pana brush. The brush. That is pana. Okay, and it's the wooden handle one, and this has passed her test. Okay, it is. Did she burn this one? It has stood the test of time. Okay, so this is what I got. It's in a size 8, and I love a size 8. What I love about this though is that this size 8 is kind of like a size 10. You know what I mean? So yeah, look at that lushness. Look at that. Oh yeah, baby. And it's pinched or crimped. Whatever word terminology you love. All right. Okay, on to the next thing. I got some other brushes. She didn't know, but I knew that Beauty Galleria and I go back a long way. Okay, I told her, because when I saw what was in here, I peeked before you guys. I told her, I said, me and Beauty Galleria go a long way. Okay, that was my first set of art brushes that I ever bought. Okay, and if you were on my channel for a long time, you've seen me use them for all sorts of things, especially like past challenges. But what I love about what she's given me here is that there's all these fine tip brushes that are going to be, look at it, it's double packed. Oh my god, sophisticated. Look at all this, man. Double packed, the liners. Look at, can you see the fineness? Let me, hold on. Ay. Get out. Ooh. What's happening? Anyway, I'm gonna just show y'all a couple. But look at the points on some of these. Dang. Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh, I lost a little thing. I'll put that back on. All right, Anna, shush. My kids are in the room. Other thing that I got is some Yafix professional nail drill sets. And she didn't even know this. I don't think that she knows, but I loves me a ceramic drill bit. And I was really curious about these. I ordered some of these. They're not here yet, but look, I get to try them. And I really wanted this because this is going to help me get rid of that poly gel. But look at it. Look at it. I think this is all medium. This is fine. I think this may be extra fine because I know green is coarse and black is extra coarse. And then these little dust brushes are always really good to have. And then 2 Acrylics. Okay, this is from Tropics. I've never heard of this brand, but 1 ounce of acrylic is a good place to start. And then this one, there's some pink glitter in here, man. Okay, so this one is Hot Topic. And I'm probably gonna do a little swatch video at the end of these two. Okay, let's get that out there. Ooh, I don't want to ruin this. Tweezers. Okay. Ooh, that could have gone really bad. But you guys can see, right? Y'all can see the sparkle. Yeah, I'm gonna swatch this. I'm gonna swatch this for sure. And then, so that was Hot, what was that? Hot Topic. And this one is Blue Sea Glow, number 24 from Tropics. I'm assuming there's going to be a protective situation on this as well. Ooh. And this is just a matte color, but I love it already. Okay, I'm going to use the pana brush and some Koopa monomer to do swatches for you real quick. Be right back. Okay, you guys, so I just finished conditioning and basically just prepping my brush, and you can see there's like no stray hairs or anything. So this is definitely, I mean, this is it. So we're gonna start first with, what was this called again? This was Blue Sea Glow, and I got a little tiny bit of Koopa monomer here. Ooh, yes, pickup bead. Yes. The kitties are in the room, especially the 3-year-old. Yeah, he's a hot freaking mess. Ooh, I freaking love this brush. Oh my goodness. I love it. And I love this acrylic. Yes. Yes. I thought that was some marbling. Maybe it was. I did not shake these jars, so let's give it a good little stir. Ooh, this brush cleans off so nice. Okay, yeah, so there's a teeny bit of marbling. That's on me because I never freaking shake these jars, yo. I never shake these jars, but you get the gist of it. So I'm gonna set that aside. And then next up is Hot Topic. I'm not gonna shake this either, cause yeah, why am I gonna do that? Let's see if I can get a good bead. Ooh, and I did get a good bead. I'm not gonna lie. Why is this looking like this is gonna be my favorite brush, bruh? Ooh, yes. Oh, why is this looking like this is gonna be my favorite brush? Because the beads are so lovely. Oh, yes. Oh, yes, glitter. Yes. Why is this so lush? Yes. Nana, you're making a lot of noise. Nana, noise. All right, you guys, look at it. This is so good. All right, so meant to be short. Wasn't all that short. But yeah, you guys, thank y'all so much for watching. Thank you so much to Kristi Mays. Please go and subscribe. Please go and follow. Please go and show her some amazing love. Please go support her because there's so much information out there that she's providing to us that she really don't have to, but she's freaking amazing. So there's just really no other excuse for her to do what she's doing other than she is amazing. I love you, girl. You crazy. I love you. Thank you so much. And I'm out. I'm gonna see y'all in the next video. I'm gonna go love on my giveaway stuff. I'm gonna go love on them. Do with that information what you will. Okay, see y'all in the next one. Bye.